comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the savior, welcome the Rasta youths. You know for axes who are the general issue in a warning pole. Waving the banner red, green and gold. It is such an honor prophecies unfold. Discovered on stones, on trees and scrolls. And even in the stories that Jesus told. Rasta youth must inherit the earth. Can't sit down, that I say me fi work. Bring the fire in a round, that I say me fi purge. But I can't do it alone. Rasta recruiting, soldiers coming from near and far. I choose executing. Still I see I works and be Rastafari. True.
Morang Waterfalls. The bank of the Shan, Mr. Nagal Falls, so take an alternative, no? Shouldn't that right now is Martha St. Joseph. Morang Waterfalls. That's what the Jetsman pool. Take your time in that one, you understand? Take people that now and there. And the Morang Falls, really low levels. Let's try to see. Trinidad have it as well, you know, you understand? Love Tobago, love Trinidad, you know, but Trinidad a little more dirty. People are in their business go to the place too much, you understand? Affected people. All in all, two Caribbean islands, we love it. Then the bloodshed and enjoy the niceness of the country. Fullness. Morang Waterfalls. Blessed. Sure!